Hi guys, my name is Hadi Nkazan. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to get a free VPS from Microsoft. So first of all, you need to have an Outlook account. If you don't have one, kindly go to outlook.com and create your Outlook account. It is free. So after that, go to azure.microsoft.com. Once you are there, click on start free. So it will take you to this page. These are what you are going to get. 12 months of popular free services plus $200 credit to explore Azure for 30 days. This is what we are interested in. So click on start free. It will take you to the sign up page where you are going to verify your phone number. Then you also do identity verification by card. So you input your card holder name, your card number, expiry date, and all. Once you are done with that, also fill in the agreement part. So after that, take you to the portal. If you are not there yet, go to portal.azure.com. So once you are there, you click on add virtual machine. So just fill in the names here, VM name, and input any name that you can. It'll be very easy for you to remember. Then here I choose under image. I do make use of Windows Server 2019. So you can choose anyone you think is good for you. Then here you input your username. You can input Azan also. Then password. Right. Then you click on next. Networking management. Create. And that is it. Once you are done with everything, click on create. As you can see, deployment is in progress, so you need to wait for it to complete. Alright, everything is set now. You can click on go to resource, then you click on connect, choose RDP. So after that, you have to download the RDP file. Click on save file. The RDP is now downloaded. You can open it. Click on don't ask me again for connection to this computer. Then you click on connect. So you are going to input the username, which is Azan, then the password, then you click on OK. Don't ask me this again. Click on yes. Just wait for it to configure everything. Alright, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial, and please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.